So these people are coming in and they're interviewing and whatnot. And when I tell them about like the systems that we have, they're all like, whoa, like they're integrated.
How was that for a teaser? That was Nicole Bergstrom at Smithcraft Signs in Phoenix, Arizona. They've been a long-term account for us. And Nicole and Smithcraft manufacture signs, thousands of signs, big signs, little signs. And they use their Sage CRM instance very effectively. At Smithcraft, they use Sage CRM to tightly control how information flows through the system from Department A to Department B. It handles the art department, the accounting department, the project managers, all the way through to fabrication and all kinds of different opportunity types. And of course, it's integrated with Sage 100. Let's hear more about what Nicole has to say about her system.
So we're interviewing for a new administrative person to help our team. And we are a small business with about 50 employees. And as we've brought them in and we show them how we do our work and we introduce them to some of the systems that they might be using, if they join us, I've just been so pleasantly surprised. Everyone is excited about the efficiency of the system and how it's well matched to our processes. And I get the sense that in other prior positions that they've had to do a lot of redundant work or a lot of manual entry. And when we show them the sort of duo that we've established between Sage CRM and Sage 100, they're pretty much blown away by the capabilities of what we have built over the years with my CRM manager.